Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus 5T. So you have to start with opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Parental Controls and then click Get Started. Now select Child or Teen and then click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. And then click Not Now. Then click More and Accept. And now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. Now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here scroll down and click Next. Scroll down again and click Next. And here you can click Install Family Link or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. Then click on Review Controls, and that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.